In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign using Mailchimp, a popular email marketing service that helps you design beautiful emails and reach your audience effectively. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner just getting started, this guide is perfect for helping you navigate Mailchimp's intuitive interface. Let's begin by visiting the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which offers a comprehensive overview of your campaigns, audience, and analytics. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this hub, as it will serve as your command center for creating and managing campaigns. Next, we want to navigate to the Campaigns section. Simply click on the Campaigns tab found in the main menu. This section is your go-to for accessing all your past campaigns and tracking their performance. It's an essential tool for ensuring your communication strategy stays on point. Once you've clicked into campaigns, the next step is to start a new campaign. To do this, click on the Create button. You'll find it prominently displayed on the campaigns page. It's hard to miss. Click here to begin designing your first email campaign. As we progress, you'll encounter the Design Email option. Clicking this will bring you to a new screen where you can start crafting the look and feel of your email. This part of the process allows for a lot of creativity, so feel free to express your brand's identity through colors, fonts, and layout choices. Now you're going to select Begin with a Blank Canvas. This option is ideal for those who want full control over the customization of their email's design and content. Starting with a blank canvas allows you to entirely tailor your message, ensuring your brand voice shines through clearly. Once you've selected the blank canvas, it's time to pick the column type for your email. Mailchimp offers various column options which you can choose based on how you'd like your content structured. Whether it's a single column for simple messages or multiple columns for more detailed communication, making this choice will dictate the look of your email. Finally, you'll be adding the content. This is where your communication comes to life. Add text, images, links, and more by dragging elements from the Content tab onto your email. Remember, rich, engaging content is crucial for effective communication, so take your time to craft messages and visuals that resonate with your audience, and that's it. You've now created a custom email campaign using Mailchimp. Be sure to review your email thoroughly, test it across different devices, and preview it before sending it out to ensure everything looks just right. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel ready to create beautiful email campaigns with Mailchimp. Happy email!